Sounds good, brother. Appreciate you. Every single fitness creator is grinding for clients and sponsorships, and they're literally missing the biggest bag in the room right now. Brands are literally throwing money at people every single day. People with no following, just to make clean content. And the wild part is you're already doing the hard part just for free, making $0. So here is the game that most fitness influencers are playing right now. Most of them are working 8 to 10 hours a day. They still have their 9 to 5. They're posting content, editing, trying to get a better camera, trying to get sponsorships, or they are selling some $47 ebook, or they're trying to do coaching and they don't know which fitness coach is gonna absolutely rip them off. And dude, this is completely normal. I was a fitness coach. I was an in-person fitness coach when I first started. I got my NASM certification. I opened up my first gym in Miami when Muscle Farm was popping before Rona. I've done online fitness coaching. I scaled it up to $20,000 a month. I decided it wasn't for me. I loved working with people, but just fitness coaching was not it. And if I'm being completely honest, after 13 years of posting content and creating content and videos like this, after I got my first brand deals back in gaming and car pages, I was like, why don't I just do this in this new niche? It got me to 60K a month from just shooting a couple videos a month. And that's the one stream of income that literally nobody talks about, because not only did I get sponsorships, not only did I get brand deals, not only did I have to post it on my page, my 60K a month came from brand deals that never even hit the internet. I just created content for brands. And this type of content is called UGC, user-generated content. No, you don't need 50,000 followers. Think about this. A multi-million-dollar company with millions and millions of followers that already has a customer base does not care about your little 100,000 followers. They don't. They just need you to create good content for them, instead of hiring a videographer, a cinematographer, booking out a room, getting it video edited, getting it published. They would rather pay you than hire a bunch of other people to do that, or keep an on-demand in-house team. You are more affordable, and they have deep pockets for this. For example, I made a video talking about how I literally made over $60,000 while working with Gymshark, only posting 10 times a month, and multiple private sector brands. I like to compare it. You have the small brands from TikTok Shop, you have the middle brands, which is like Reebok, Nike, and then you have the bigger brands like Mercedes, Bissell, commercial brands, right? I was doing 60K a month. My client just got up to 13K after 30 days of working with me. I'm not trying to sell you on anything. I'm just showing you how fast you can do it if you put in the work to do it. And if you create clean content and you speak to a niche, or you know a product really well, you can very easily benefit a brand and yourself financially if you position yourself correctly. And if I'm being completely honest, fitness creators, wellness creators, lifestyle creators, all of these people are doing the content, the hard part. They're making aesthetic content, keeping up with trends, making sure it's high quality, but they're not packaging it correctly. And they're also just not talking to brands, they're not building relationships, they're not doing anything to actually get paid. They're just trying to get clients and do what every other fitness guru is telling you to do, which is go get clients and make sure that you actually sell to people. No, don't sell to people, sell to brands. The wealthiest people in the world say, do not sell to poor people. But this is a simpler business with much higher ticket clients with deeper pockets. And I don't understand why more people don't do this. You literally can have 0 followers and get your first $15,000 deal by just creating quality content. You probably think you need to be famous, but you don't. And you probably think you need to have some sort of agency or run ads. You don't. So the real question that you're probably asking yourself right now, how do I start them, right? Well, number one, I made a video about 4 simple steps to actually start building your portfolio, sending it out, getting in contact with brands and everything. But I'm gonna tell you right now in 4 easy steps. Number 1, just define your content niche. Who are you posting for? What content are you already posting? Are you posting for moms? Are you posting fitness content for gym bros? Are you a CrossFitter? Are you a runner? Are you a cinematographer and you just do lifestyle and travel content like the aura section of the fitness, wealth, and health? That is what you need to establish first. Who are you posting for? Do you have a lot of followers? Do you not? It doesn't matter. Who are you posting for? I like to say, post for your younger self. You know that person better than anybody else. Just post for them. What did he want to know? What do you wish that you knew before? Post for them, okay? Number 2, just polish your production 10%. Choose consistent color grading, choose consistent video styles, consistent styles of music. You want your portfolio to be relatively consistent so that you can have a consistent portfolio, or make like 10 videos of a specific style, 10 videos in another style, 10 images of one style, and then now you have multiple different types of content for different brands to be able to choose from. You're not limited to just dark grunge gym content. I've worked with Alani, I've worked with Gymshark, I've worked with Celsius, I've worked with First Form, I've worked with Gyms, I've worked with almost every brand that you could possibly think of in the fitness industry right now. So number 3, create your portfolio. You can use Notion, you can use Canva templates. I recommend everybody just use Google Drive. I say the method, create 100 videos, take the top 10 quality or best performing videos, make that your portfolio. Do not overcomplicate this. Half the time, brands just want to see what you can create. And sometimes those just send you a product and say, hey, what can you do with this product? You might have to make a video for free, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But make a video for free, build a relationship, show them what you can do, and I guarantee you if they like it and you give them like 2 or 3 different hook variations of that video, which should take you like 30 seconds to swap out the hook in the beginning of the video, they're gonna be like, hey, can we pay you? And number 4, pitch the right script. Cold DMs, cold emails. I made a video about talking about Twitter, Reddit, the top 5 websites that you can use, LinkedIn. I gave you a video on all of the best places to reach out to brands, reach out to content creators, business owners. Local businesses also need UGC. They need tours of their facilities. They need a review of their facility. They want real people to leave real reviews and talk to the other real people in the world. They don't want this polished influencer shit. They want you to just talk about it. That's user-generated content. It's real, people relate to it, and it performs better than any polished cinema content that's just trying to sell. So make sure that you have the right script, obviously tailor it, and I talk about that more in the video that I recommended, which it will be in the description, that video. But please, make sure that you're tailoring your outreach and reaching out to multiple brands every single day. The more contacts you make, the more point of contacts you make, the more chances you have to actually lock in a deal. I guess your question is, what happens if you ignore this opportunity that's bound to grow? It's actually, ChatGPT says it's gonna grow by over 400% by 2030, and by 400%, it's gonna be a multi-billion dollar market. If you ignore this simple opportunity, you're most likely just gonna burn out chasing clients and trying to get viral videos, which we all know viral videos come and go, they do. And they're honestly just not fun to make. I went from getting 100 million views a month to 250,000 views a month, getting paid more than ever before and having more fun than ever before. Traveling the world and just making videos and posting my cat and doing shit I want to do. So you'll most likely burn out chasing clients and just trying to create videos, while creators like myself and other UGC creators make $20,000 a month from posting nothing and sending 5 brands our videos. That's the opportunity that you have in front of you. And it's not like this competition. Almost nobody knows about this. Half the men on the internet and are like, I don't want to post about a product. You don't have to post about a product. Send it to them. Don't let your ego get in the way of making money, please. So you might miss out on this opportunity, and I don't want that for you. So the whole thing that I'm trying to tell you, if you are already creating content, you are already 90% of the way there. The last 10%, get in front of brands and speak to them. It's just a conversation is all you're having. Hey, do you need help? I can do this. Oh, we need you? Do this, we pay you for your work, for your service. That's literally all there is to it. I drop free sauce like this every single week, showing you guys exactly how to do it, talking about the benefits, the pros, the cons. I've been doing this for 13 years. So if you want more free sauce like this, just subscribe to the channel. Check out the free video right here. It's gonna show you exactly how you can use these 4 simple steps from building your portfolio, having 0 videos, all the way to getting your very first brand deal. See you there.